Hi viewers, welcome back to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen. Today we'll be showing you how to make this delicious buttery orange cake. Ingredients needed: 150 grams of caster sugar, 75 grams of light brown sugar, orange infused honey 1 tablespoon, 300 grams of butter, fresh oranges, 275 grams of self-raising flour, 4 eggs, a loaf tin, and a large mixing bowl. For the drizzle, you will need 80 grams of white sugar and 1 whole orange juice. Start off by zesting 1 orange. Add the butter, the white sugar and the light brown sugar and mix it well. Once the butter and sugar have blended in well, start adding your eggs, one at a time. Next, start sifting your flour into the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh orange zest. Add in the orange honey. This is optional, but I like it as it gives it an extra punch of flavour. Thoroughly blend in all the ingredients together, mixing it into a nice smooth batter. Pour the mixture into the loaf tin. I've already pre-lined it with some parchment paper. Then pop it into the oven for 180 degrees for 45 minutes. For the drizzle topping, melt the sugar and orange juice, bring it to the boil, then turn the heat off and let it cool down for a minute. Once the cake has been cooked, take it out and pierce it with a skewer. This will allow all the drizzle juice to soak through into the cake. Pour over your fresh orange drizzle and let the loaf cake absorb it. The orange cake is ready. The juice is soaked through and absorbed into the loaf cake. We're going to decorate it with some fresh Seville oranges. This is a delicious, warming, buttery cake. Enjoy it with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching. Please share with your friends and family and give us a huge like with a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next episode of Marjana's Kitchen.